Want to make money online? Try these ideas. Money is not just something we need, it's something we want. We would like to have a comfortable lifestyle where we don't have to worry about paying our bills. In order to do this, one job often isn't enough, which is why many turn to online opportunities as detailed below. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. There are several sites that pay you for giving your opinion about an upcoming court case. These sites ask you to read through the material that will be presented at a legal proceeding and give your opinion on whether the defendant is guilty or not. The amount of pay will depend on the amount of time it will take to read through the material. When you need to make some extra income to pay bills or provide you with the luxuries you deserve, the advice in this video becomes priceless. Use these tips as you begin your career online. You will find that money will begin to stream in and your wallet will fatten up. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.